In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitize customer orders in ClickUp. We'll turn a simple template into a streamlined place to capture every order so your team can track details, handoffs, and fulfillment without spreadsheets or email chains. Start by opening your browser and heading to ClickUp. Log into your workspace if you aren't already. Once you're in, look to the sidebar and choose the space where these orders should live. A space is the high-level container for related work, so pick the one used by your sales or operations team, or whichever area owns order intake. Choosing the right space now keeps permissions and reporting tidy later. With the space open, find the plus icon on Emo to add something new. Depending on your view, you might see it in the top bar or near the list panel. Either way, click the plus to begin creating your order tracking list. In the Creation window, select Templates. Using a template saves setup time and ensures your team collects the same information on every order. Use the search bar and type Product Order Form. This template is designed for capturing customer and product details in a structured way, including fields you'd expect on an order. When it appears in the results, select Product Order Form to open its preview. Take a quick glance at the included fields and statuses so you know what will be created. Click Use Template to apply it. You'll be prompted to name your new list. Give it a clear, descriptive name that your team will recognize at a glance. Something like Customer Orders or Customer Orders, Q3. Clear naming makes it easier to filter and report across multiple lists later. Confirm by clicking Use Template again. ClickUp will create the list, add the predefined fields, and set up any default views that come with the template. In a moment, you'll see your new orders list inside the space you chose. From here, you can start adding orders right away using the fields provided. If you need to tailor terminology, you can adjust fields and statuses later without disrupting existing tasks. Consider pinning this list to your favorites so your team can access it quickly, and make sure the right people have access within the space you selected. That's all it takes to digitize customer orders in ClickUp using the Product Order Form template. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new organized order intake process.